Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the euro dollar, very sideways day yesterday. I'd said yesterday in my morning video that I think that we're going to have a very sideways corrective price action. I do think that we are possibly going to go down more, but as long as we do not take out this swing low, it is definitely still an uptrend. So it's still going to be higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, as long as it doesn't take out this swing, which is basically the definition of a trend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am still looking for longs. I think that more than likely, based on the US dollar index, we're already going to be in a wave C. So this is going to be like something like this. And then I think it's going to go down to one of these fib levels and end up continuing the uptrend. For me personally, as a swing trader, I would much prefer to just wait to see if it does give me the end of a correction. And if it does, I will take that as a long. On the other hand, if it just goes down and starts breaking structure, then I'm more than happy to start looking for shorts because, like always, the market is the only one that knows best. But as of right now, I'm definitely watching my Fibonacci retracement levels for another possible long opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.